By the end of this video, you will know how to create workflows in HubSpot. Start in your HubSpot account and look to the left-hand menu. Open Automation Overview. Once you are on the Overview tab, click Create Workflow. HubSpot will then ask how you want to begin. You can start from scratch, choose from template, or use with AI. Select the option that matches the workflow you want to build. If you are working from a template, browse the available options and pick the one that fits your goal. For example, you might choose a workflow that sends an email series after a form submission. After selecting the template, click Use Template to open it in the editor. HubSpot will load the workflow editor with the main structure already in place. You will usually see the enrollment trigger and any default actions added by the template. Take a moment to review what is already there. Look over the trigger conditions and the planned sequence of actions so you can confirm the workflow matches the process you want to automate. Next, click the Trigger Enrollment for Context card. This is where you define who enters the workflow. Edit the enrollment criteria so contexts are added based on the conditions you need. Make sure those conditions reflect the records you actually want included before moving on. After that, move through the workflow actions one by one. If the workflow includes send email actions, select each one and choose the automated email that should be used for that step. If your process requires more than email sends, configure the other actions as needed. This can include delays between steps, internal notifications, property updates, or branches that route contacts based on different conditions. As you review the flow, click the plus button between actions whenever you need to insert another step. You can use that same area to adjust delays or remove actions that are not needed. Keep editing until the workflow structure matches your intended automation process from start to finish. Once the steps are in place, use the test button to check how the workflow behaves. This gives you a chance to verify the trigger and actions before activation. If HubSpot shows any changes needed notifications, resolve those first. Then review the workflow configuration again so nothing is missed. When everything looks correct, click Review and turn on. HubSpot will show the activation settings before the workflow goes live. Review those settings carefully, then enable the workflow. After that, HubSpot will begin enrolling records that meet the trigger criteria you configured. Your HubSpot workflow is now created and turned on for records that match your enrollment conditions.